everyone, I am Anushka and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you so much for showering so much love on the first video. It means so much to me. As we all know that Rakhi is around the corner and I know how big a deal it is to choose an outfit, do your makeup, do your hair and then pamper your brother as well. So, to make your life a little simple, here I am with a makeup look, a very easy hairstyle and also an outfit idea. So, keep on watching. Starting off my makeup with Cetaphil's moisturizer. This is perfect for acne prone skin and this isn't oily at all and my skin feels so good after this moisturizer. Then I'm going in with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige to hide all those dark circles, acne scars and all the pigmentation on my face. This is a beautiful concealer. With the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend all this concealer into my skin. The only rule you have to follow here is you do not have to drag the concealer, just push it into your skin and just see how beautiful my skin looks. Now for the foundation, I am going in with my favorite MAC foundation. This has lovely coverage and serves as a perfect base for your face. Oh wow, that rhymed. So blending is the key here. Setting my base with Krylon's translucent powder, dipping my beauty blender into it and just pushing this powder under my eyes. This is Europe Girls Eyebrow Definer. I'm taking the dark brown shade here and I'm just defining my brows. I am not giving any shape to my brows, just filling it in and then brushing it off with a spoolie. Doing the same with the second eye as well. Now I'm dusting off the excess loose powder. With Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable, I'm concealing my eyelids and then blending it with a flat concealer brush and then also with a beauty blender, the same beauty blender that we used. This one is from PAC, PAC. Now this is my favorite eye palette. This is Huda Beauty's nude palette. I'm taking the shade Bare and then packing my eyelids. For the transition shade, I'm taking Teddy and blending it. Now, after you've blended the shade completely onto your eyelids, I'm taking the shade Secret and then patting it on the eyelids. Maybelline's gel liner to put liner on my eyes. And I'm creating a short wing as well. Did it same for the second eye as well. Now for the contouring, I'm taking Wet n Wild's contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is beautiful. This blends beautifully and I love this palette. And you can also contour your forehead if you have such a big forehead. With Sugar's blush, I am putting this on the apples of my cheek. I love this flushed look and this has to be my favorite highlighter. This is so blinding and so budget friendly. I'm putting this on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow and on the chin. Also with a small brush, putting this on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Using MAC's Meher for my lips today. This is such a pretty nude shade and I am obsessed with nude lipsticks. And we're done with the makeup. Now it's time for hair. Either you can leave your hair like this and yes, that's it. Or you can take a strand of your hair and divide it into two halves like this and then twist it to form a rope kind of a thing, and secure this with a bobby pin. Yes, this is hairstyle number 2. Or you can just tie a braid out of your hair, a normal simple braid, and then pull it out so that you have a messy looking hairstyle, and then secure it with a rubber band. Here's a tip, you can just cover your rubber band with your hair. This just looks pretty, and then secure this with the help of a bobby pin. And yes, with this we are done with our hair as well. This was the easiest hairstyle and it looks so pretty. It's time for the outfit. For the outfit, I chose a white chicken kurta and paired it with a pink fulkari dupatta. Or you can also make a cape out of the dupatta. You just have to tie a knot at the ends and then bring the other end to that knot and just secure it with a safety pin. And voila, you just created a cape out of a normal dupatta. This is for girls who hate carrying dupattas. Completing my look with oxidized jhumkas and kolhapuri chappal. And this is the final look. I hope you like it because I love it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this video helped you, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. Stay safe and happy Rakhi. Bye.